Paano nga ba mag-delete ng account? Pumunta lang sa menu sa Facebook and then hanapin ang settings and then personal details. And then account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, delete account and continue. And then reason mo kung bakit mo i-delete and continue. Continue ulit. Then, continue ulit. Tapos, yung password mo. Then, continue ulit. Then, delete account.